Naru's Kitchen. Today we're going to talk meatballs. Different ways you can make meatballs. You could just make a meatball and throw it in the sauce and cook it in the sauce. You can make a meatball and fry it with some olive oil in the pan. But what we like to do is bake them in the oven. And then take them out halfway and roll them over and bake them a second time. And what my mom used to do, I'll show you, she used to make them, my sister Julia did it a few times. We used to make some flat meatballs. The reason for that is for little kids, they won't roll off the plate. And for a meatball sandwich, they're nice and flat in there and they won't fall out. And when you're cooking them in the oven, when you flip them over, you can flip exactly over because it's flat. Today I'm going to make the round meatballs and I make a few of the flat meatballs. We got pork and beef mixed, and we'll take the cheese. We'll put the cheese in there. We'll put the chopped parsley. Get that in there. We get, like it's probably at least 10 cloves of garlic. A teaspoon of pepper. Teaspoon of salt. Here we go. Now we take the bread and we soak it in the milk. So now we take it and we squeeze it. Get all the milk out. Most of it. And then we break it up in here. Okay, we break it up in smaller pieces. About a quarter cup of sauce. Use about half of that. Got the breadcrumbs in there. Okay, so here we go. Now we just, with an ice cream scooper, just scoop up. Just flatten it out. It's like a half a scoop. Flip it over. And then a little bit of, dip your fingers in the oil. And what I did wipe the pan with the olive oil. We got it nice and round, and we take it and we roll it in the pan. And you want to get olive oil all the sides. All right, that's one. We got another one. Two. Okay, here we go. Now we got the little flat ones. So what you do is roll it up in a ball and then just flatten it a little bit, and that's what it'll look like. Meatballs are ready. They're cooking. Oh yeah, looking good. Put them in the sauce. Here's the flat ones for the meatball sandwich. Bit of sauce. Okay, so here's the meatball sandwich. They're nice and flat in there. Now that's a sandwich.